Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use Instagram Reels. Okay, so here we are on the Instagram app. There's a brand new feature called Instagram Reels, which is kind of like TikTok. As you can see right there, there's a brand new Instagram Reels tab over your screen. So you can come here and create Instagram Reels. This is where you'll create them. We'll come back to this in a second. First, let's check this out a little bit. Let's go to the Explore tab. Right off the bat, you'll see them promoting Instagram Reels. So let's just tap on one of these and get a feel for it a little bit. So we've got Dude Perfect, and as you know, you can swipe up or down. That's how you navigate Instagram Reels. You just kind of keep going up and down to get more content. So you can like an Instagram Reel on the bottom left, you can comment next to that, you can share it, and you get some more options here. In the bottom right corner, it'll show the amount of likes and the amount of comments. Let's go ahead and go to Dude Perfect's profile. So this is their Instagram profile. You can see there's a new tab here for Instagram Reels. You've got your main post here. You've got Instagram Reels now. It'll also show the amount of views there in the bottom left corner of each one. You've got IGTV, which is for longer videos. Remember, Instagram Reels are like 15 seconds, and these videos are usually like a minute plus. You've got the shop, you've got filters, and posts they've been tagged in. So this is the new one right here, and if you create an Instagram Reel and post it to your profile, you'll get this additional section as well. Remember, you can come to anyone's profile with Instagram Reels, tap on an Instagram Reel, and then swipe up and down to navigate theirs. But let's go ahead and go back. If you access Instagram Reels from the Explore page, there should be some here, like here's a reel. You can swipe up and down on these. They'll probably give you somewhat related content. I'm not really sure yet. But mostly this is just going to be people repurposing content again, posting more videos under the Instagram Reels tab. So it's kind of annoying that we have all of these different tabs and video options in my opinion, but it is what it is. Let's go ahead and go back to the story screen. Just swipe left from the home feed there. So now we're on the Instagram Reels creation screen. I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram Reel. If you want to add audio, tap here first. But what you want to do is just tap this button. You can see it's recording up here along the top. And then you can tap here to stop that. If you want to check out what you just made, tap this button. It'll bring you here. If you want to add audio, remember to do that before you record. If you want to change the speed, you can do that as well. If you want to add effects, you can do that as well. If you want a timer for a particular section, like from here to here, you can do that. If you want to align this for the next section, so you can see where my previous one ended, if I want to kind of align that so it looks like it's in the same spot, you can do that, tap right here. And it's kind of going to look like it's in the same spot. It's recording up there. Stop that. So now let's just tap this. We'll get to more of the posting of this. So here's what I've created. I can add text and stuff on top of this if I want at this point. I can draw on this as well. So it's kind of similar to stories, but with some additional features. Then I would tap the arrow in the bottom right corner, and now we get to where we'll actually be posting this. So Instagram Reels, you can write a caption for this. You can also add hashtags in your caption. You can share this to your feed, or you could share it to only your stories. So let's go back. So I discarded that. If you want to upload one, just tap right here. Find the video that you want to upload. I'm going to do this one right here in the left middle with the turtle. So we've got my little turtle friend. I'm going to tap the check mark on the bottom right. So we've used this much space. So if that's all I want, I'm good to go. I can tap this arrow. If I want to add more, I could add more clips. I could record myself right here, but I'm just going to tap this arrow. So we've got the turtle. I can add text or draw on top of this, or add stickers, temperature, whatever, things like that. But I'm just going to tap the button in the bottom right. We're going to move forward with this. You can select the cover as well by tapping on the image. So that's going to let you pick a cover for this. Let's just choose that. So there's my cover. Write a caption. We have a caption. You can select your cover photo. We've got the cover photo. Now here's where people will get confused. If you have this toggle on, also share to feed, this is going to share to the Instagram Reels section and the post section on your profile. You want to turn off also share to feed if you don't want it in the post section. It's super confusing, but I'm just going to tap share to Reels. This is now sharing to Reels. You can see on the bottom of the screen there. So it's been posted. So let's go to my profile. You can see that the Instagram Reel section is now up. There is my Instagram Reel. So I can like that, you can drop comments on it, whatever you want to do. The Instagram Reel is there. If I had that toggle on, it would have also posted in this section here, my post section. And if I would have tapped on it and then deleted it from my post section, it would also delete from this section. So it's super confusing. I kind of just recommend to post it to the Instagram Reel section. Keep that toggle off. So let's do one with the toggle on so you can see what I mean. Let's just upload something. So we're gonna upload this, check. It's 3 seconds. Next. Just gonna put an X because I'm gonna delete this one. And I have the toggle on. So let's tap share, sharing to Reels. So it's been posted. Now we can go to my profile, see that it's been uploaded right here. Bam. You can also go to the Instagram Reels section. It's been uploaded right there. However, if I go to the post section and I delete this from posts, it's no longer in post and it's no longer in Reels. So that's why I recommend to keep the toggle off, just only put it in Reels. Unless for some reason we discover that putting it in both places gets it a lot more views or a lot more likes or whatever. Still have to figure out how the algorithm works with this. There's the latest update for Instagram Reels for Instagram. It's kind of just a new feature that's similar to their other features. Pretty confusing at this point, but I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Also check out the Instagram playlist where there's hundreds of tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.